Hey y'all, how's it going guys? I'm Retro and welcome back to another video on Retro Vlogs. And on today's video, I'm going to be updating you guys on everything that's gone off camera when it comes to my little brother's bike. So, his bike called the Black Duck, you can go check that out right here. That build series is having a few problems. If you know, last motovlog we did, his bike had a weird idle because we went to like the sandy area, I don't know, but like ever since then it's had a weird idle, and I was trying to figure it out and I've yet to figure it out. I think it's his electrical system. I replaced that. We tried it with a new carburetor, it was just fine, it just had no power, that HP carburetor piece of crap. And yeah, so we're gonna take his NTcarburetor and we're gonna do a little bit more adjusting and more tuning to it to see if we can get it to where it needs to be. But last video we went and did a burnout on his bike. Oh my God! So his bike rear tire is pretty much screwed. So he's currently trying to fix that. We bought a new rear tire with a new tube. So basically, what I'm concluding to is it has to be gas. I'm so sure positive it has to be carburetor related, but we've tried a lot of things and it still hasn't, you know, fixed up. So I think I even went to change this CDI from the original one that my bike came with, and this boot too. And it seems like, okay, there was an ocean in that bag, but whatever. And it seems like none of that fixed it. But we stopped on this very cheap HP carburetor. Let's see if I can drop this out. By the way, never buy this. If you ever see these, never buy them. They're trash. So we slapped that into here. And it ran, it just had no power according to him. And I remember my bike had no power either when I used it. So, trash. So at least it ran and it didn't have that stupid idle. So that leads us to conclude that it's his original NT speed carburetor that's having the problem. So without further ado, we're gonna get on to trying to tune that and diagnose his bike to see if we can finally get it back to running to its normal state. Because we were leaning out, Eddie got all the wheel and all its stuff back on. Carburetor sitting nice and tight on the bike. Yeah, watch until the end if you want to see how tight that carburetor was on. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. Eddie put some extra, pretty much almost ready. Bike's looking pretty good. Now it's time to get the new gas and oil mixture in, and we went with Penske 2-cycle multi-purpose oil. Pretty lit. First time actually using a good brand. I've been using Quicksilver and some random Dollar General stuff, but we're gonna mix it in with our 93 and put it in the bike and see what his bike does. And if it doesn't go well, then we'll do some extra tuning. Good. They're cutting 2 seconds of that. I'm leaving that in.
Nah.
I'm leaving that in.
Nah, cuz.
Cut in 4K, cuz.
Nah.
Lean it up. Yeah, you're good like that. You're good like that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it just this blue's a lot darker, so I couldn't see it. So are we done?
Let it out. Hey, let me open this real quick. Let it sink in. The system. Alright.
Prime it.
Prime it. Yep. There you go. There you go. Easy. Are you ready?
Right. We ready, boys?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Back.
All right. So we are ready to fire the baby up. So, everything ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. Fire it up. Well, it started. Now is it running fine? So, to give you guys a quick little, you know, help understanding what's going on right now, what's going on is his bike is like having this weird idle, like I was mentioning earlier, because it seems like his carburetor is not receiving enough fuel to keep a steady idle, because his jet is really small. It must be like in the 60s or something like that. It's really small jet. Rather, my jet, which is pretty fat, so it makes it, you know, a lot richer. The only reason why mine is, you know, nice and tuned or whatever is because my idle pin is at a nice even level. I keep mine at the leanest it can go. Now, Eddie's bike needs to be richer. His idle pin needs to be richer because he has a small jet, so, or a main jet, whatever. So that is what we're trying to tune. I started off with the second richest, and later on we moved to the highest, highest richest. So you'll see that in a second. So I do not know what is going on. He's on his way out. Anyway, yeah, he's out of here. So I think he's gonna go rip it around the block to see what's going on. Wow, that thing's fucking loud. But yeah, he's gonna go rip it around the block, I guess, to go see what's going on. Honestly, my take on it, I don't know at this point. We are on the second richest level of the pin. I'm not really sure. I'm confused as fuck at this point. But we'll wait for him to come back. In the meantime, I'll go inside and wait for him. Bro, that boy's flying. That boy's flying. Do you guys hear him? Oh my god! Whoa! Dude.
It reaches top speed, but
it's actually a joke, bro. It's actually a joke. It sounds like it's canned.
It's a carb, I'm telling you.
Dude, it sounds like it's canned. Cause you told me when it was on the other carb, it was
fine.
It had no power, but it ran fine. At this point,
I think if I take your carburetor and put it on mine,
it'll run fine. I'm telling you right now, it'll run perfectly fine.
Yours?
Cause we put yours on mine. Well, off camera, but we put yours on mine, and dude, it ran great.
Like the idle was going, you know.
The idle would sometimes just go, sometimes.
For some reason,
it just absolutely takes a shit. I don't know if it has to do with the straight pipe.
Yours has the same system, right? I could just keep the same pin and it'll be fine.
What do you mean?
Like if I get your carburetor and keep the same pin, it'll just.
If you get my whole carburetor and switch it over to this one, you'll be fine.
Oh, let's do it.
Like oh wait, what? Excuse me? You want to take my carburetor right now?
Why not?
At this point, just order a new carburetor. But we don't have to order a whole new carburetor.
You haven't ordered it yet?
No, we don't have to order a whole new carburetor. We can just order a set of jets. A set of jets. But maybe it's just not. Maybe it's not the jets. Maybe it's just the carburetor itself, bro. But I don't know. Like, come on.
We switch carburetors.
Cause come on. Listen, let's be smart here. A carburetor, 90% of what the carburetor, you know, needs to make it run right is a jet and a pin and sometimes a main jet, and depending on bigger cars like a Makuni or OKO and all that stuff. But these little NTs, you have one jet. You got the little fuel valve thing that closes via float, and then your little idle pin, like the little pin that you know regulates how rich and how lean it is. So I honestly don't know that at this point. I'll cut back with you guys once I maybe switch carburetors, maybe change the pin. I'll get back to you guys after that. This is about to be boring anyways. All right, here he comes, finally back. Let's see what he has to say about it. Hopefully good news. I really don't want to buy new sets of jets and whatever. Is it one step forward or is it one step back? Back? It's getting worse. found the tune? Maybe? I don't know. Oh my god, let's hope he did, because dude, as you can tell from my face, I'm actually I don't hate working on these things, but like, as you can tell, I'm kind of over his bike right now. His bike is just constantly giving me a little headache after headache. No. I can tell you for sure that that bitch is rich as hell. The amount of smoke is just dumping out off of just, you know, clutching it up is like, just like, you know, getting off from the clutches is insane. Okay. Meet with you guys when he's back again. Alright, he is back. Oh my god!
Because it's too rich now. If we get the new jet, right?
Yeah, if we get a new jet, that means you just have to make it, like, make the pin leaner. But hey, fine, we'll leave it like that. We'll leave it like that. If it's work, Black Doug, go check the build series up here. Watch some more videos about it. We had a blast building it. Right now it's giving us a hard time, but maybe, hopefully it's fixed. Anyway.
I need to fix my clutch again.
The clutch is screwed?
It keeps slipping. All you hear is when I take off. You know what I'm saying?
Dude, you never end with these motorized bikes. Anywho, yeah. See you guys next time. Hope you guys liked the video. We hit 100 subscribers a while ago. Goal for this year is 300. If we can hit 300 subscribers by December 13th, that'll be a miracle, and I'll fucking appreciate you guys so much. I'm definitely throwing a huge surprise when that happens. Even if we don't hit it, I'm still throwing a huge surprise. Stay tuned for my bike. My bike, we're doing some huge stuff to it. So, enough updating. See you guys next time. Peace. Boys, we got a little problem. So this is literally... ¿Aló?
¿Dónde tú estás?
Yo estoy caminando para casa ahora.
Sí, pero ¿por dónde? Porque él está yendo ahora para allá, para arriba.
Yeah, boys. So we got a slight little problem. If you can tell, the carburetor is not connected to the manifold or the intake. Someone may or not.